Welcome, my wonderful people, to today's wonderful edition in which we will be looking at how to interpret a flowchart, a situation in which you are given a flowchart and you are required to write a pseudocode that corresponds to that flowchart. So, to answer this, we will look at a question coming from a 2017 past paper, and the question says, study the flowchart below. This is our flowchart. So we have start, enter error, is radius less than 0? Yes. Error message, error must be positive. No. A is equals to, the formula is given. Display area. Then stop. So now, for you to write a corresponding and a correct pseudocode, you have supposed to make sure that you don't change any meaning. So it must exactly correspond to the flowchart. That's why even the question says, write a pseudocode corresponding to the flowchart above. So shall we begin? So you go to the first part that is in the flowchart there. It's saying start. So you also write start there in words. So remember, a pseudocode, as you are writing that statement, it must curve. It must look like that. This is the first point and this is the last point. So the words they go in, again they begin coming out and make a curve like that. So the first word will be start. So you write start there. And next you write enter error. So here the error should be in full. So you say enter radius. Enter radius. Then here we have the diamond in which they have said is error less than 0. This is a question. Is radius less than 0? If yes, then the computer will display an error message and telling you that error must be positive. So when interpreting this into a pseudocode, the word is should change into if. And because it is changing into if, it will automatically correspond to the yes which is the set. So we are saying if radius is less than 0, then display error message. Radius must be positive. Radius must be positive. So now, what about if no? Meaning, if on the other hand, you entered the correct value of the radius. So meaning, we will go straight and the computer will process. So the rectangle here means, or where there's the formula, it simply means the computer is now processing, meaning a correct value was entered. So to connect this yes and no, you use the word else. You can use the word else or otherwise or on the other hand. So I'll use the word else. So you're saying else meaning no. So you write the formula else area is equals to 1 over 2 star radius star radius star size theta. So this is just the formula which is being used here, or what we are calculating here. Then next, what we have here, we have display area. Now, before you write display area, remember, when the computer has finished processing, it simply means it has ended its job. So here we simply write end if. So when you write end if, then next you write display area. And at the end you get to have stop. So that is actually our pseudocode for the simple flowchart that we have here. So you can see that our words are coming in and then they begin coming out. So remember, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider to do so and hit the bell for new videos of such kind so that you don't miss any new video that comes your way. See you next time.